Chicken thigh is the most misunderstood cut of chicken in modern diets. It is often overshadowed by chicken breast because of fat content myths and diet culture trends. But if you step outside calorie spreadsheets and look at how humans actually eat, cook, and enjoy food, chicken thigh quietly outperforms breast meat in many real-world scenarios. Chicken thigh comes from the leg portion of the chicken, specifically the upper leg muscle. Unlike the breast, this muscle is used constantly. Chickens walk, stand, and move all day. That mechanical work changes the muscle structure. Because the thigh muscle works harder, it contains more connective tissue, more fat, and more myoglobin. This gives chicken thigh its darker color, richer flavor, and juicier texture. This is not a flaw. It is biology doing what biology does best. From a taste perspective, chicken thigh is clearly superior to chicken breast for most people. It has deeper flavor, more richness, and a more satisfying mouthfeel. It tastes like meat, not just protein. That richness comes from fat, but not excessive fat. Chicken thigh sits in a middle ground. It is fattier than breast, but still far leaner than most red meats. Texture is where chicken thigh shines. It is forgiving. Overcook it slightly and it stays juicy. Undercook it slightly and it still feels tender. This flexibility makes it ideal for home cooks and high-volume kitchens. Now let's break down the nutrition, because chicken thigh is far healthier than its reputation suggests. Chicken thigh is a high-quality protein source. It contains all essential amino acids required for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, immune function, and hormone production. Protein content is slightly lower per gram than chicken breast, but still substantial. In practical terms, the difference is small unless you are doing extreme macro control. Fat content is higher, but this fat brings benefits. Fat improves satiety. It slows digestion. It enhances flavor and nutrient absorption. The fat in chicken thigh includes both saturated and unsaturated fats. While moderation matters, this fat is not inherently harmful when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Chicken thigh also contains more micronutrients than chicken breast. This is a key point many people miss. Dark meat contains higher levels of iron. This iron supports oxygen transport in the blood and energy production. For people prone to iron deficiency, chicken thigh can be a better choice than breast. Zinc content is higher as well. Zinc supports immune function, hormone balance, and wound healing. Chicken thigh also provides more vitamin B12 and other B vitamins than breast meat. These vitamins support nervous system health and energy metabolism. Calories are higher than chicken breast, but context matters. Calories are not enemies. They are tools. For active individuals, athletes, and people maintaining weight, chicken thigh fits perfectly. Digestibility remains strong. Chicken thigh is easy to digest when cooked properly. The added fat actually improves tolerance for some people by preventing dryness. Now let's talk about the chicken thigh versus chicken breast debate, because this is where internet nutrition often loses the plot. Chicken breast is leaner. That is true. Chicken thigh is juicier and more flavorful. That is also true. The choice depends on goals. If you are cutting calories aggressively for a short-term fat loss phase, chicken breast may be useful. If you are eating for sustainability, enjoyment, and long-term health, chicken thigh often wins. Many people fail diets not because of calories, but because food becomes miserable. Chicken thigh helps solve that problem. From a culinary perspective, chicken thigh is superior. Chefs know this. Restaurants know this. Traditional cuisines know this. Chicken thigh performs better under heat. It handles grilling, roasting, braising, frying, and slow cooking with ease. The skin on thigh is especially powerful. The skin renders fat, creates crisp texture, and protects the meat from drying out. Remove the skin and you still retain most of the flavor advantage over breast meat. Now let's look globally, because chicken thigh dominates traditional cuisines. In Asia, chicken thigh is preferred for stir-fries, curries, and grilled dishes. It absorbs sauces and stays juicy. In the Middle East, chicken thighs are marinated with spices and grilled or baked. The fat carries flavor deeply. In Africa, chicken thigh appears in stews and slow-cooked dishes where resilience matters. In Europe, thighs are roasted, braised, and used in rustic preparations. French cuisine heavily favors dark meat. In the Americas, thighs are central to fried chicken culture. They deliver crisp skin and moist interiors. This global preference is not accidental. It is the result of centuries of practical cooking experience. Now let's talk meal prep and modern diets. Chicken thigh contains more saturated fat than chicken breast. Excessive intake of saturated fat can be problematic in certain contexts. But context matters more than single foods. Overall dietary pattern, activity level, and calorie balance matter more than one cut of chicken. Chicken thigh consumed in reasonable portions as part of a varied diet is not a health risk. In fact, it may improve adherence to healthy eating by making meals enjoyable. From an environmental and economic perspective, chicken thigh is efficient. It is often cheaper than chicken breast. That makes high-quality protein more accessible. Using thighs instead of only breasts also reduces waste. Whole animal utilization is more sustainable. Industrial systems that prioritize only breast meat create imbalance. Valuing thighs helps stabilize supply chains. From a cultural standpoint, chicken thigh represents realism. It is food meant to be eaten, not optimized to the last calorie. It respects hunger, flavor, and tradition. In fitness culture, chicken thigh has been unfairly sidelined. But that is changing. Many coaches now recommend mixing cuts to avoid burnout. Chicken thigh reminds us that health is not just numbers. It is behavior over time. Enjoyable food leads to consistency. Consistency leads to results. So what's the real conclusion? Chicken thigh is not the enemy of health. It is the ally of sustainability, flavor, and balance. It offers excellent protein, richer micronutrients, and superior cooking performance. It bridges the gap between strict diet food and real food. Chicken breast may be efficient. Chicken thigh is humane. If chicken breast is the spreadsheet protein, chicken thigh is the human one.